Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can apply bubble effect to our video in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to go to the effect menu right here. And then I'm going to select the video effect. And after that, we're going to search for the bubble effect. Okay, just type in bubble and there will be some bubbles effect you can apply to your video. And then for example, I'm just going to choose wait guys, I'm going to choose maybe this one, bubbles. Okay, then we can adjust the effect. You can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. I'm just going to decrease it, and for the atmosphere I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, then click on the check mark and you can make the effect align with your video. Alright, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add a bubble effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.